Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting your dataset into a predictable shape because charts lie if data is messy. Select contiguous rows and headers. Excel reads headers as labels. Once selected, press Insert and pick a chart, column for categorical comparisons, line for trends, scatter for relationships, so you match chart form to question. Make sure to check numeric formatting so values plot correctly. After inserting, you should see points or bars. Use this moment to confirm axes and data mapping before adjusting further. Once the chart exists, dig into series and axes to make the story clear. You edit series mapping to ensure each series represents the intended variable. You select data to add or swap series. Then format axes. Set minimum and maximum bounds and adjust major unit to avoid clutter, and change number format to currency or percentages when needed. Also add or reposition titles, data labels, and grid lines so viewers grasp scale and categories quickly. These tweaks remove ambiguity and highlight insights. You finish by polishing and annotating so your audience understands the takeaway. Apply a consistent color palette for series and increase marker or line weight for emphasis. Keep data labels minimal to avoid clutter. Add annotations, text boxes or callouts that explain spikes, anomalies, or trend reversals so the why is explicit. If numbers look wrong, check your source ranges and table filters. Hidden rows or mismatched ranges are the most common errors. If needed, rebuild the chart from a corrected range to reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.